Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Discngine virtual coffee chat. I'm your host, Valentin Vecchio. I'm a marketing manager at Discngine, and today I'm having a coffee break with my colleague Ana Marques, who is a scientific business developer at Discngine.
Hello.
So today we will discuss the exciting news that Discngine launched a new solution called Discngine Assay. We will cover the basics about the solution, explain briefly what it is, discuss its benefits, and finally we'll talk about the future evolution of the solution. What's next? But before we start, maybe Anna, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. So, hello everyone. I'm Anna. I have a scientific background in molecular chemistry. I've been working in the lab doing some research projects, and after a while, I decided to change site and I joined Discongene in 2020 as scientific business developer. So, today I'm part of the assay team, and my role is to identify new opportunities and help scientists to meet their needs in the screening domain.
Perfect. So today, like I said earlier, we're here to talk about Assay, a new solution introduced by Discngine this spring. So can you present us the solution? Tell us a little bit more what it is.
Yes, so first version of this Hyunjin assay was in 2005, and originally it was created because there were like three four customers asking the same thing at the same time. So rather than doing four different projects, we understood that there was a need, and we decided to create a product out of it. So since that time, we have been adding new functionalities and we have been maintaining the application. But today we present a redesigned solution. It's a cloud-based platform that handles all the plate-based data related to the screening campaign.
Perfect. Can you tell us then what makes Assay unique and special? Like, can you also give us maybe a few benefits of the solution for the lab scientists?
Yeah, I would say that one of the things that makes us a unique is that it's created by scientists. At this Discongene, most of the employees has these dual skill scientific techniques that allows us to understand the problems in a scientific way and to be able to translate it in a solution. So I think this is very important to at the end have a solution that is user friendly and that is intuitive for scientists. And another thing that I think is quite important is the flexibility. Assay is very flexible. We provide some models out of the box, but we also provide services so we can always build more models depending on the needs of the lab. And then it's quite integrable with other TTPAS solutions, for example, in-house solutions or solutions from other providers, because at the end, most important for us is to rent the best end solution for the customer and make them happy.
Of course. Okay, and finally, can you share with us a bit of information about like future developments? Like, what is the product team working on right now? What are the next features that can come up? Yeah, what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, so in terms of roadmap, we are always looking at the market. What are the new challenges? What are the new needs? What is people asking for? And of course, listening our customers, because for us, is the most important is the people who is using the platform. So I would say one of the demand we had from customers was to enhance this collaboration in the team. So we have developed a new model that is this contingent request that will allow scientists to request for sample preparation and also for assays. So we really think that this will improve this communication when adding tasks in the team. And then another thing that was asked by the customers was to be able to define assays using ontology-based properties and targets. So this is something that we are developing in the new model that is called Assay Catalog, and will be able soon. And we really expect that with these new features, we bring value to the entire platform.
Awesome. We really look forward to see those new features rolled out in the product. But thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. It was very insightful. I think we got the information we wanted, and if people want to know more, they can see more on the website.
Sure.
In the meantime, take care of yourself, and see you soon.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
See you soon.